Welcome to Manafacta. Let's be honest, folks, the Oreo cookie is an American icon. It's more than just a snack. It's a piece of our culture, a symbol of childhood memories, and a treat that brings people together. I mean, who hasn't twisted, licked, and dunked one of these bad boys in a cold glass of milk? It's a ritual, a moment of pure joy that transcends generations. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these chocolate and cream wonders come to be? The journey from raw ingredients to the final product is nothing short of magical. It's a fascinating journey from simple ingredients to the beloved cookie we all know and love. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure that every Oreo is perfect. We're going to take a peek behind the curtain, into the heart of the Oreo factory, and explore the step-by-step process of how these iconic cookies are made. From mixing the dough to baking the cookies and finally, adding that creamy filling, every stage is a marvel of modern food production. From humble ingredients to precision engineering, the Oreo's creation is a testament to both culinary ingenuity and good old-fashioned American know-how. The combination of high-quality cocoa, vanilla, and other ingredients along with state-of-the-art machinery ensures that each cookie is a masterpiece. So grab yourself a napkin for those inevitable crumbs, and let's get this cookie crumbling. Whether you're a fan of the classic twist, lick, and dunk, or you prefer to savor each bite slowly, there's no wrong way to enjoy an Oreo. Now, you might think a cookie this iconic has a laundry list of ingredients, but you'd be wrong. The beauty of the Oreo lies in its simplicity, a testament to how a few well-chosen ingredients can create something truly special. The Oreo keeps it simple, relying on a handful of key players to achieve its signature flavor. Each ingredient plays a crucial role, working in harmony to create that perfect bite. We're talking sugar, of course, because what's a cookie without a touch of sweetness? Sugar not only sweetens the dough, but also helps in achieving that delightful crispiness we all love. Then there's good old enriched flour, the backbone of our cookie, providing structure and chewiness. It's the foundation that holds everything together, giving the Oreo its characteristic texture. Of course, no Oreo would be complete without its rich, chocolatey flavor. This is where the magic happens, with cocoa powder bringing in those deep, roasted notes that make each bite so satisfying. That's where cocoa powder comes in, lending its deep, roasted notes to the mix. It's the heart of the Oreo, giving it that unmistakable taste that has become a global favorite. And to ensure our cookies rise to the occasion, we've got leavening agents like baking soda doing their thing. This helps in achieving that perfect texture, making sure each cookie is light and airy. A pinch of salt enhances all the flavors, reminding us that sometimes a little contrast makes all the difference. It balances the sweetness and brings out the richness of the cocoa, making every bite a symphony of flavors. Our journey begins with the heart of the cookie, the dough. Now this isn't your grandma's hand-cranked operation. We're talking industrial-sized mixers, the kind that could churn out a batch big enough to fill a swimming pool. These behemoths take our carefully measured ingredients and blend them into a smooth, consistent dough. The secret here is all about precision and timing. Too little mixing and you've got a crumbly mess on your hands. Too much, and the gluten in the flour develops, creating a tough, chewy cookie. Not exactly what we're going for with an Oreo. The goal is a soft, pliable dough, ready to be molded into those iconic discs of deliciousness. Once our dough is mixed to perfection, it's time to give it that signature Oreo shape. Now this is where things get really ingenious. Forget cookie cutters, Oreos are all about efficiency and uniformity. The dough is fed into a massive machine that uses a rotary mold to stamp out hundreds of cookies per minute. Each mold is engraved with the classic Oreo design, that intricate pattern of ridges and lettering that's as recognizable as the cookie itself. It's a marvel of engineering, ensuring that every single Oreo that rolls off the line is identical in shape and size. Talk about cookie cutter precision. Baking the bite from dough to golden brown. With our perfectly shaped cookies ready to go, it's time for the magic of the oven. Now, we're not talking about your average home oven here. These industrial ovens are like something out of Willy Wonka's factory, with conveyor belts transporting our little discs of dough through a precisely controlled baking environment. The temperature and timing are crucial here. Too hot, and the cookies will burn. Too cool, and they'll be soft and crumbly. The goal is to achieve that perfect golden brown color, a sign that the cookies are baked through and ready for their creamy destiny. The creamy heart of the matter, crafting the filling. While our cookies are busy baking, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the creme filling. This is where the Oreo truly sets itself apart. It's a simple recipe really, but one that's been perfected over the years to achieve that iconic sweet and slightly tangy flavor. The key ingredient here is sugar, lots of it, blended with vegetable shortening to create a smooth, creamy texture. A touch of vanilla extract adds a hint of warmth and complexity, while a pinch of salt, believe it or not, helps to balance out the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor. The Oreo sandwich, bringing it all together. Now that our cookies are baked to perfection and our creme filling is whipped into a frenzy, it's time for the moment of truth, assembling the Oreo. This is another step where automation reigns supreme. A specialized machine carefully dispenses just the right amount of creme filling onto one cookie. Then, with a satisfying thwap, another cookie is placed on top, creating the iconic Oreo sandwich. The pressure is carefully calibrated to ensure that the filling spreads evenly without oozing out the sides. It's a symphony of precision and timing, all in the name of creating the perfect cookie. From factory to cookie jar packaging and distribution. Our Oreos are now complete, but the journey isn't over yet. Fresh off the assembly line, they're whisked away to be packaged and shipped to eager consumers around the world. First, they're cooled to room temperature, ensuring that the cream filling sets properly. Then they're carefully stacked in those familiar blue packages, each one a promise of chocolatey, creamy goodness. The packages are sealed tight to maintain freshness, loaded onto trucks, and shipped to supermarkets, convenience stores, and vending machines everywhere. A timeless treat, Oreo's enduring appeal. So there you have it, folks, the fascinating journey of the Oreo cookie, from simple ingredients to a global icon. From the humble beginnings in a small bakery to the massive production lines we see today, the Oreo has come a long way. It's a testament to the power of ingenuity, precision, and a little bit of sugar. The meticulous process of mixing, baking, and assembling each cookie is a marvel of modern food engineering. But what is it about these humble cookies that have captured our hearts and taste buds for over a century? Is it the nostalgia of childhood memories, the clever marketing campaigns, or simply the irresistible taste? Maybe it's the satisfying crunch of the cookie, that perfect balance of texture that makes each bite so delightful. The sweet embrace of the creme filling, a creamy contrast to the crisp cookie, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Or the endless possibilities for customization, twisting, licking, dunking, the choice is yours. Each person has their own unique way of enjoying an Oreo, making it a personal experience. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure, the Oreo cookie has earned its place in the pantheon of snack food legends. Its versatility and timeless appeal have made it a staple in households around the world. And that, my friends, is something worth celebrating. So next time you reach for an Oreo, remember the rich history and the joy it has brought to millions. Here's to many more years of Oreo delight. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explored, discovered, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and subscribe to Manafacta.